Votes count. You can tweet all you want, you can say all you want, but your vote is the one that counts. I'm just laughing at the fact that many of us thought Mr. Music was gonna win South African Idol season 2020. Season 16, 2020. And we forgot that this is a singing competition. We forgot that this is a singing competition. And the person who sang better won, actually. So congratulations to Zama, because as much as Zama may have had her flops during the competition, and Mr. Music didn't have a flop as far as I'm concerned, but she was the best singer, you know. But when it comes to performances, she was never there, you know. And then we thought, based on the fact that people loved Mr. Music's performances and his smile, because many people that actually voted for Mr. Music loved him because of his smile. We disregarded the fact that this is a singing competition and the best singer will win. And there we are, you know, and we are like, okay, we are all shocked. I can't deal. Guys, I'm not okay. I'm not okay because I wanted Mr. Music to win, and that is despite of the fact that Zama is the best singer, you know, in the top two. She had flops, you know, and Mr. Music kept it consistent, you know. I feel like most people voted for him because of the fact that he was very consistent and he gave people what they wanted. He kept smiling, he kept performing, and we all thought that was enough. But hey, it was not enough. People needed to vote for him as well, because you can tweet as much as you want, you can talk as much as you want, but if you don't vote, you know, you don't win. And Zama won. Congratulations to Zama. She deserves it, man. She deserves it because she gave it, you know, her all. She tried. Zama tried to perform. She tried everything. She's got a great voice, like I said before. I feel like Mr. Music should have won, but hey, you know, Mr. Music could have won it, but I don't know what happens with the voting. But hey, now it's time to congratulate the winner, and Zama deserves it. There's a lot of good things coming her way. I mean, she's an instant millionaire right now. But then we know that Idol South Africa is synonymous with people that win not making it, you know. So we won't be surprised if Mr. Music, the runner-up, go out there and make a career in music, because we've seen it so many years in different seasons, past seasons, where the winner doesn't make it in music, and then the people that are runners-up or top 5 or top 3 go out there and make a career in music, and a successful one, you know. So we can only wish Mr. Music luck and all the best for the future, because I mean, he's a great person. You know, he's a great guy, you know. He's music, you know. Even his name is Mr. Music, so we can always wish him all the best. But then Zama deserves to win, and we can all just admire Zama right now, because she's going to have a recording deal with Kalawa Jasmine. You know, I just wonder what's going to happen there, because she's more of a soulful singer, you know, quite reserved to herself. And I'm not sure what kind of music Kalawa Jasmine produces, you know. But hey, we'll see. We'll just see, you know. You never know. And it's good to have a variety in a recording label, you know. So, yeah, congratulations to Zama, and then all the best to Mr. Music. Hopefully we're gonna see a lot of him on stage, you know, because he deserves to be in the music industry. Just a warning to Zama. We all know that the music industry is very rough, you know, and there's all these vultures that are going to start becoming your friends, Zama. So just be mindful of those people, because hey, it's tough out there, you know. It's a jungle in the music industry. So we can always wish you all the best, and all people, actually, I feel like all the top 5, top 4 could have won the South African Idols, and I'll be fine with it, you know. So all the best. But hey, I just don't know, but I'm not okay, guys. Mr. Music. Mr. Music, guys, thank you very much for joining me on Canelo Gingrikan. Imagine if you're a Mr. Music fan, you're a Kaizer Chiefs fan, you're an Arsenal fan. Like, you know what? Things are just not happening right now. But hey, guys, thank you very much for joining me on Canelo Gingrikan. Legere mina ekes dors. Kitele kiri yora. A test ni totora. Salut, mengatiti meli.